There she was, just a walking down the street singing. Stepping her fingers and shuffling her feet
Kaya naman
singing.
pala excited si Mokong.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm actually here in the kitchen today because we're going to make breakfast. A quick breakfast. Di ako masyadong nandito palagi. Once in a blue moon lang. Kind of like a corned beef dish. It has this ingredients lang. Ayan, we have corned beef, cheese, butter. Ito ay corn. And then, onion and garlic. Tama na ba itong pag-pinch na to? I am not sure. Pero okay na yan. Okay. This one. And then corn. How to put the corn? Set aside natin tong corn. Gamitin natin siya later. Garlic. Ay, butter. Ha? Nang? Hindi, ayun doon. Ayan. Ito na ko tatanong. Oh my God, nasunog ba? I can smell sunog. Sunog ba? Gosh. Ano siya, oh? Hindi nyo ba dapat ang mga sinusapin? More. And then, lagay na natin ang ating corned beef. Ay! Ayun. Diba? Then, 2 eggs. Disney pala. So, so pala. And then, ang dami. This is the corned beef. Ako, ano-anong pinaggawa. It didn't turn aesthetic the way I imagined it. Pero, let's do a taste test. Ayan, may corned beef, may egg. It's good. Sarap. It's more of like corned beef with corn. And egg, ganun. Ganun yung lasa niya. Konti lang nalagay ko just like ganyan. And then that's it. Always use straw. Ayan, tagal ko to. And mahal ko siya. Here's my matcha. The best.
Seems like you've been busy since you went away. I'm just flipping through your pictures, I can tell you look more than okay. Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody.
Sarap maglakad.
When you still love somebody.
Staying out on the weekends, I really need something to do. I'm just trying to smile when all I can think of is you. Yeah, I'm just faking my way through the day to that feeling I get when I'm lonely enough.
Exercising. Hello guys! Actually, I just turned on yung cam pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung i-film ko ngayon. I feel like I need to vlog but I don't know kung anong content. I feel like I want to vlog pero wala akong ma-vlog.
Ay, sakto. Sakto. Nabigyan natin ng iba vlog.
What's that?
Tara, mag-collab na tayo.
What's that?
The stock review.
Oh, okay.
Ay, mukha ka matalino dyan.
Actually, wala akong alam sa stocks. Feel like pwede bang stocks/mukbang? Yun. Wala tayong ginagawa today. So, tumawag si Chubby. So, linag ko na lang siya. So, alam nyo na, meron siyang mga RCR stocks at ang ginagawa niya guys, pareho kaming may RCR stocks actually. Pero kapag may dividendo na ang RCR, ang gagawin niya, mag-chat siya sa akin. Sabihin niya, Chubby, screenshot mo yung email ng RCR yun. Tapos maya after a while, makikita mo na lang, nasa feed ko na post niya na ganyan. Pero sabi ko,
Ano pinapatunayan mo?
ano pinapatunayan ko? Etong si Chubby, palaging yung akin yung pinopost niya. Ayaw niyang i-post yung kanya. At kanina, nag-uusap kami, sabi ko, sapat tingin naman nung sa'yo. Pero ayaw niyang ipakita, guys. So, ano sa tingin niyo yung dahilan kung bakit? Kasi sa totoo lang, never ko pang nakita yun. Pero akin talaga, every quarter, talagang pilitin niya talaga akong isend sa kanya yung mga screenshots. I really don't know the reason behind it. Pero,
Okay na po. Sisend ko na po. Sige, paki-out na. Okay ba, Chubby?
okay, eto na. Wow! Kaya naman pala excited si Mokong. Kaya pala. Kaya naman pala sobrang excited niya.
Excited? What do you mean?
It's like parang kaya pala sabi niya, parang as if half nung kanyang salary tong nare-receive niya na dividendo.
Ay, naku, teka. Church ako. Ay, go.
So parang as if pala, if you are into like, yung talagang investment talaga. Kasi ako sobrang liit lang guys nung hindi ko pinakita sa kanila. Pero, see to it na parang kapag may dividends din yung isang company, parang meron ka ding bonus. Parang ganun, kung nag-work ka in a corporate setting, parang ganun yung katumbas niya. And it feels nice na every quarter may marireceive ka, 'di ba? Parang as if bonus siya. So, nakakatuwa din. Like ako, kahit mga barya-barya lang yung nare-receive ko, ang galing pa din, ang ganda pa din sa feeling, or parang sarap pa rin sa feeling. What more pa kaya yung mga katulad nito na malaki ang nare-receive.
Chubby, isipin mo na lang. Andiyan ka sa bahay mo. Ito, isipin mo na lang dito ka sa bahay ko. Bahay namin. Gumagana yung kuryente, Meralco. Gumagana yung internet, PLDT. Gumagana yung tubig, Manila Water. Kumakain ka, Pure Foods, FB. Isipin mo na lang, lahat yan pwedeng bumalik sa'yo. Maliit nga lang. With capital appreciation. Okay?
Yeah, so see to it as if, yun nga, if you are like a stockholder of some corporation, parang see to it as if you're an owner din, a co-owner din nung, nung company na yun. So, I think for most people, for this generation, madami na din talagang tao na nagiging open-minded about investing, di ba? Kasi yung, di ba yung mga ibang tao, like, lalo na yung mga older generation, mostly para silang traditional like bili ng lupa, tayo ng business, ganyan. Pero yung mga much younger generation, mas madami na silang, parang nadidiscover the streams of income. Well, investment naman, or being a stockholder is really not something new. Pero, maganda rin na, ako personally, hindi ako masyadong into stocks, ganyan. Parang mas iba yung naisip kong streams of income. Pero dahil palagi kong kausap si Chubby, syempre, napipilit din ako, na-influence din ako. So, paunti-unti, naglalagay ako ng pera doon. Pero siguro si Chubby, lahat ng pera niya siguro nandun.
Literal.
Parang bank account niya yun.
Bank account ko talaga yun.
And kasi stocks is kind of like liquid din naman. Right? So, ayun. Kasi yung stocks, kailangan mo siyang bantayan no? Kailangan masipag kang magbasa ng news. Parang chismoso ka ganun. And wala pa ako sa ganong level. So, ako, I'm a type of investor na kung ano lang yung sasabihin sa akin na bilhin. Full trust. Kaya wag mo akong lolokohin ha.
Huli.
Oo, yun.
Huli.
Kung ano lang yung sasabihin sa akin, sabi ng magandang bilhin, yung bibilin ko.